Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop. Welcome to issue number 88 of Build the Legendary Cyborg RoboCop from our good old friends over at Fanhome. Now, if you'd like to grab this and build this along with me, head over to their website. There's a clickable link in the description below. And you too can be building this iconic Partwork. Let's have a quick scoot through today's magazine. Memorable locations is in the history of RoboCop section there. Key scene is the final shoot in Vancouver. This is Rafi Altonian, a professor of Royal Conservatory of Music in Toronto, played by the amputee guitarist who plays the Concerto di Aranez with bionic arms. There you go. This is what we've got today. We've got our back plate going in. We're going to be needing our switch, and we're going to be fitting the switch into this back panel. And we're getting this ready for when we join the two parts together in the next issue, folks, okay? That's what we're going to end up with at the end of today's issue. And this is where it is going to go on our RoboCops, folks, okay? Next up, you got 100 Years of Robots, assisted or driverless drive-in vehicles there. Could see a lot of this happening with all the delivery companies. You then got space tourism, SpaceX and Blue Origin. They're all doing this now with the space tourism thing. It's going to be a big thing, I can see. Got all different agencies going on. This was the Virgin Galactic. That's the ISS. I'd love to go up there, I must admit. That and the big trench in the middle of the Atlantic. I'd love to go to both of those, if only. So there you go, folks. That's the magazine done. So we're going to put that to one side. We'll come back. We'll start a bit of assembly, folks. Get the old oiler ready. And we've got a BP screw today. Don't need that. Right, let's grab our bits and pieces then. We've got this switch and we got this panel. So it's going to be a straightforward slidey-kins in there so that this will then get switched on from outside. Right, it's getting fed through that way, so we'll do that. Going through like so. And then that's going to drop somewhat like so. Okay. And then that little tab there is going to just rest over that screw hole. So if we grab our screw, a little bit of oil on it. Bink. And we'll drop that in situ. So let's try just to hold that switch in place. There you go. Now we can send that fully home. Like that. And what will happen then is when this cover goes on top of this, there's a button just by the shoulder. And that will activate that switch, okay? So that's what that is. It is a nice, simple issue. That is it literally today, folks. Switch panel going in place. So don't forget, folks, if you'd like to grab this for yourself and build along with me, head over to the Fanhome website. There's a clickable link in the description below. Pop. And you too can be building this RoboCop. Also, to help me out, you can click little Festa just over there. And subscribe to the channel. I'll be immensely grateful. Really helps me grow the channel. Ring the bell whilst you're there. Select all. That way you'll get notified of upcoming future content. In the meantime, thanks so much for coming in and keeping me company. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Until then, stay safe and well. Bye-bye.